Welcome all. Today we will discuss the wheat classification and maize classification. So, in case of wheat classification, the wheats are classified on the basis of ploidy level, whether it is diploid, whether it is diploid, tetraploid, or hexaploid. So, in case of diploid, the chromosomes are AA, while in case of tetraploid, the genome is AABB, while in case of hexaploid, it is AA, BB, and DD. The chromosome number, the basic chromosome number N is equal to 7. In case of diploid, it is 14. In case of tetraploid, it is 28, while in case of hexaploid, it is 42. Now, there are 12 cultivated species. In case of diploid, there is only one cultivated species, while in case of tetraploid, there are 5 cultivated species, while in case of hexaploid, there are 6 cultivated species. Let us discuss one by one. In case of diploid, there is one species, that is Triticum monococcum. Triticum monococcum. This species also called 2n number is equal to 14. This species is also called incarn wheat. This species is also called incarn wheat. In case of tetraploid, there are 5 species. First one is Triticum dicoccum. This is also called emmer wheat. Triticum durum. This is also called durum wheat or macaroni wheat. ठीक है. इसके बाद there are 3 more species. You can learn them by name PPT. That is Polonicum, Persicum, and Turgidum. Okay. So Triticum polonicum is also called Polish wheat, while Persian wheat is called Persian wheat, and this Triticum turgidum is called rivet wheat. So these are 5 species of tetraploid. Now come to the hexaploid. In case of hexaploid, there are 6 species. So first is the Triticum aestivum. This is called common bread wheat. Common bread wheat. Another is Triticum sphaerococcum. Triticum sphaerococcum. Triticum sphaerococcum. Next one is Triticum macha. That is called macha wheat. Another is Triticum spelta. Next is Triticum vavilovi. Another is Triticum compactum. Triticum compactum. This wheat is called club wheat. This wheat is called compactum, is called club wheat. In case of vavilovi, this is called vavilovi wheat. This is called vavilovi. Spelt wheat, macha wheat, and this sphaerococcum is called short wheat. So this is all about the wheat classification. Now next is the maize classification. So next is the maize classification. On the basis of different type, on the basis of species, we can say there are 7 type of maize. So first one is the Gia maize, indentata. This indentata is called dent corn. This is called dent corn. Okay. Next is Gia maize, indurata. This is called flint corn. This is called flint corn. Indentata, dent corn. Indurata, flint corn. Okay. Next is Gia maize averta. This is called popcorn. Next is Gia maize saccharata. This is called sweet corn. Gia maize saccharata. It's called sweet corn. Next is Gia maize tunicata. This is called pod corn. Gia maize tunicata is called pod corn. Next is Gia maize amylaceae. This is called soft corn. This is called soft corn. And the last one is Gia maize Ceratina. Gia maize Ceratina. Gia maize Ceratina. This is called waxy corn. Gia maize Ceratina कुलेश. पूरा क्या है? जिया मेज सेरेटिना कुलेश, वैक्सी कॉर्न. ठीक है, कौन कौन से हो गए? फ्लिंट कॉर्न, डेंट कॉर्न, फिर एवर्टा, सेकेराटा, ट्यूनिकेटा, एमाइलोसिया, देन सेरेटिना. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ व्हीट एंड मेज. होप कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.